Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw funds from your Bitget account, whether you're new to Bitget or have been using it for a while. This guide will help you easily access your funds. Now let's get started. First, you need to open your browser and search for Bitget. Click on the official Bitget website from the search results. So once you're on the home page, locate the wallet icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your wallet. In the wallet section, click on withdraw. So if you want to withdraw fiat currency, select withdraw fiat. Now, you will need to choose your currency and preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer or e-wallet. Enter the required details, double check everything, and then click next. Now you may need to confirm the transaction with a code sent to your phone or email. So once confirmed, your funds will be processed and sent to your selected account. And that's how you withdraw funds from your Bitget account. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.